today this motorcycle. Yes. Yamaha. А нет, это не Yamaha. Это Lifan. Вот такой мотор. Вот этот вот. The problem that is that the spark is gone. It drove and stopped. And why? What is the reason? Let's I will show you something. Here must be the battery. This is the starter relay. All go by this fuse to the switch. From switch plus going plus to plus, this is the ignition amplifier. Yeah, plus going here, but first the plus going to this switch. This is the switch of the starter. To the switch. From this switch it going to the headlight. Then it going to the ignition amplifier, but it's gone. So I just put the extra wire here. See this? So what we have? We have two connectors. These two wires, it's the crankshaft sensor signal. This, I don't know what is this, no matter what is this and this and this, it's to the coil. It switch to earth, switch to ground. The amplifier switch to ground, and this the plus of amplifier and minus. And when ignition is on the ignition coil, we have plus right here, the plus going here, and this wire going to amplifier, to this one of this contact, and amplifier making ground, big, and we have spark. That's all. How to check the crankshaft sensor? It's very easy. Need to take multimeter to put to this ACV the minimum. Need to put to the minimum. For example, if it will have 20, need to put to the 20, and put to these two contacts, and start cranking the engine, and it will some of signal like this. Look at this. You see? It have some signal. It means it say that the crankshaft sensor is okay. So that's all. So this is the wire diagram for this motorcycle. Yeah. This is the ignition amplifier. This is the wire diagram. And this is the voltage regulator. So how it working? Very easy. Fuse, battery, voltage regulator, alternator with the sensor inside the engine. This is the ignition amplifier. It takes signal from sensor. Two coils with constant plus, and the amplifier switched ground to the each of coil, and we have spark. And where is located this? This is the pins. Let's see. Pick up ground, pick up. This is the sensor. This tachograph, in this motorcycle don't tacho. This is the voltage to amplifier. This is the wire that I did the extra wire because it's gone. I don't know where. No matter. This is the ground, and this out to the coils. Красиво работает, а?
Это ровно вроде?
Да.
Как на аудитории, вот тут должен заглохнуть, по идее.
Надо было туда ее поставить все-таки. Это так открыто. Мы неправильно заводили. Все, уже на своих работает. А не, или да. Непонятно, да?
Непонятно. Попробуй сейчас здесь.
Ну давай. Надо, чтобы прогрелся.
Маха, эти самые китайские поездки.
Да.